Hello guys, welcome back to Week Mix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's update.
Bless you for coming. About Week Mix Media. Another update on our board within we doing it entertainment and we do Stonebowy, Blakk Rasta come. Now what is trending is Stonebowy any Blakk Rasta and so asema bemui. And I'm do go through to a new how to make sure so be subscribing or turn on notification bell so that every day it will release new updates on sa beti me account. Your honor and a Stonebowy bed drop a program outline say on the 8th of March. Organizing show Chinchirichi O2 Shepherd Bush UK what I say O2 Shepherd Bush Empire UK on the 8th of March Stonebwoy Edbeto Abontini Inti your whole man who is three of Ghana's biggest promoters almost so UK Alodia West Coast and Akwaba UK almost like Komutera Bumi say almost ba Independence show on the same date 14 miles away from maybe a Stonebwoy organizing the show no and a Stonebwoy and then the man who is na as a way the as a lord the West Coast ni Akwaba UK as a moment them sabotage Stonebwoy bisa cause I see then at the same date I share 14 miles away from maybe and I'm also organizing with the audience ni muche mo besa mo sabotage Stonebwoy show no ni akasa Stonebwoy perform a crime anko na see Stonebwoy ko perform Chicago anko almost anko almost nipa 15 pe ene ku gina ho yanso so na ba bontin say place in Stonebwoy selling it out what you say say no so be different news now hwe nkofo aye omo headline Alodia West Coast and Akwaba UK omo show na Independence Day concert now Anodin R2Bs Kim Paluta Olive the Boy and these are young talents any OGs R2Bs and OGs are almost bomodi domudi obachi what I say 2 years and say divide a cancer audience no na chiri aba because Stonebwoy show no kwankofo anko near the Ababa City Stonebwoy and no and a Stonebwoy manager Eddie Bedin Komo and so hit FM so and all can the air coso between a year promoters me saying and Stonebwoy so show no entem.
King, that what happened because after that conversation we didn't hear anything and the only thing we hear is that it's sabotage and stuff like that and now you are confirming that it was actually planned that they are going to have an event.
Yeah. I mean, people came from the meeting. And see, Mercury, on the 3rd of January,
right,
when Casey made the call, he was in Ghana by then.
Right.
So me, him, Stone, we sat down and he presented what Dennis said. I don't want to, repeat that because, I mean, it felt some way. So right there, Stone called Dennis, like, oh, Senior, this is what Casey is telling me. Why? What have I done to you? And where can we meet? So we talk.
Right.
So we quickly, jump in the car. We went he was having an event in Osu Cox Lounge. We went there, we sat in a meeting with him, and then he was like, oh, Stone, I felt disrespected from some time, And Stone was like, no, that was we clarified it. Right there, we spoke, had a good conversation, and then he even said, I was there, right there, sitting next to him in the meeting. He said he didn't know that Stone had announced his event. And he was going to also announce his event on the same date. But he's getting to know now. So he's going to go back with his team and then fix it. Maybe choose a different date. And Stone even proposed, okay, I would gladly want to be part of it. So maybe I can come in and support as a surprise guest. We spoke, I had a very good conversation. There's a video to that effect. I saw people share it. I think I posted it on my Snap at that time. So people grabbed it after the meeting. So clearly you could see that it was planned. And before that meeting, I was told, I didn't even say that to Stone, but I was told that this was the plan. And I'm like, bro, when you do this, you are more or less trying to put the heads of the artists together. Stone is very good friends with R2Bs. R2Bs, Mugis is my Stone and Mugis are very close.
Yeah.
Payday, me and Mugis, he loves me. Is somebody that I respect so much. He's a legend. I respect him. as a brother. And when it happens like that, then you make the fans to feel like, oh,
something they happen between the artists and things.
Which is, yes, exactly. It's not supposed to be like that, bro.
Anyway, any Stonebwoy manager and so somebody betu Chief Styles and somebody betu concerning a clash these two shows and so a clash what I say according to a law the West Coast any Akwaba UK the Omaba Bontini say in summer or modi to just almost share than or more sabotage Stonebwoy nyoma no and that's a Stonebwoy show no the Caribbean way him no momunim that so Stonebwoy cry I and I say oh yeah program be on the same date and it was our venue honum what I say and no most of the actually said the manager and the kind of my head my reconstruct and yoma and no and a year United Showbiz so Blakk Rasta and so Babekasa about to say Stonebwoy say or your international artist there and any concert go show outside or didn't to say Ghana fans elebe pull up. What I say? Ever so say obitime anya more fans from a year UK for nankasa ebia can say Jamaica near their day on no nyasa audience ni fro because so no okobo show abontina enya this ordinary to Ghana fans so because no or trials or capture attention from a western world no in Jamaica for near their no on finding to Ghana and Libya. So the Stonebwoys or international artists there ever so a focus now or also gaining more followers from that side, Sabaya, baby, or no fees and a brand net no, yen some may turning and church, You could see Blakk Rasta and so submission of the two jar and breasts here.
To happen, kill yourself, brand yourself, branding any Rolls Royce and Bulldog. Branding is not about house alone. Your career spend on it.
What name about house? Because you bim and actually Stonebwoy and Elodia. You see Bako I saw sabotaging in here. Show. Do you think it's healthy for your industry?
How is Akwaba Ghana sabotaging Stonebwoy? Yeah, business. In business, there's nothing like sympathy. Me who I'm doing what is going to give me that power. Anybody coming to the UK, no, catch me say, I have to come and be part of their team because I'm the most powerful in the area. And I'm present here. And if I were around Stonebwoy, say, yeah, he's my boy. Me catch and say, stop these unnecessary talks. Say, Obi sabotage you. Show them that you are an international artist. Some say you're an international artist. How have you branded yourself to the level, say, you don't even need the Ghana market to feel. Or mobile, fine. Mimi shows Ghana for ma. Ochoko. I mean, different shows. My US, my boss shows baby. Who raising Ghana flag? How many Ghanaians are here? Ghana Bianio. Ghana Bianio. Is Jamaicans, Americans, and others, no. And honestly, me Kobosho Abucha, I don't count on the Ghana market. And until I be Mount and Philly any of the venues, no. I count on other artists who can also bring the crowd, and you follow them and do your own thing. And to Stonebwoy, I think we're reaching a certain point. He needs to up his game and not be satisfied. Say, my Drew. I have collaborated with so many Jamaican acts. And my best show Ghana, Nepaba. Ooh, share Ghana market now, you will mess up.
But that's if it's stage show, I will do something so that be Blakk Rasta for you, and then a submission of the buyer concerning a Alodia West Coast, Akwaba UK, so almost sabotage Stonebwoy show. No, what I say, even so, I am Pampa or moon names Stonebwoy, and so a organization will be on that date. It was our venue, honum. Why? Because 14 miles away there, not just as a yakoye a UBO. Come with Tilbu Mamas and I go vui on Mavia. Why I say, that be the latest update on board at Week Miss Media. But the best so more. Remember, say, like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. So that every day you will release new updates. You'll be able to get the chance to watch. Medidi Andy, bless you for passing through. See you on the next update. Bye bye.
Hi, and welcome back. Have you checked out Week Mix Media? No? What? What are you waiting for? It's right here on YouTube. Go ahead, type it in. Week Mix Media, your ultimate destination for the hottest, the latest, the trendiest news you can possibly imagine. Talk about gossip galore. Yes, it is meant for you. Go ahead and check it out. You won't regret this. Week Mix Media, right on YouTube. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification. See you soon.